Welcome to Cars Insider, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you enjoy our content, make sure to subscribe, like this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we are diving into the Tesla Model 3, one of the most revolutionary electric cars on the market, combining cutting-edge technology, impressive performance and affordability. This model has set new standards in the world of EVs and continues to dominate the segment. Tesla Model 3 is available in multiple versions, including the standard range plus long range and performance. Each version is designed to cater to different driving needs and budgets. The standard range plus offers an estimated range of about 272 miles on a full charge, making it a great choice for city driving and daily commutes. The long range version increases that range to approximately 358 miles, providing extended travel capabilities without frequent charging stops for those who crave speed and power. The performance model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. On the exterior, the Tesla Model 3 features a sleek and minimalistic design with aerodynamic curves and a low stance to improve efficiency. Its signature flush door handles and smooth body lines not only enhance aesthetics but also reduce drag, leading to better energy consumption. The LED headlights provide excellent visibility, while the large glass roof gives passengers a more open and airy feel inside the cabin. The interior of the Model 3 follows Tesla's philosophy of simplicity and functionality, dominated by a 15-inch touchscreen display that controls almost all vehicle functions, from navigation and climate control to entertainment and autopilot settings. The absence of physical buttons gives the cabin a futuristic look, while the premium materials used for seats and dashboard ensure a comfortable ride. The Model 3 also supports wireless software updates, which means your car keeps improving with new features and enhancements over time. When it comes to safety, Tesla has always been a leader in the industry. The Model 3 has achieved top safety ratings worldwide thanks to its rigid structure, low center of gravity, and advanced driver assistance features. The autopilot system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For an additional cost, drivers can opt for the full self-driving package, which adds features like automatic lane changes, summoning, and traffic light recognition. Charging the Tesla Model 3 is convenient and efficient. It can be charged at home using a wall connector or on the go at Tesla's supercharger network, which can add up to 175 miles of range in just 15 minutes. With advancements in charging infrastructure, owning an electric vehicle is becoming easier than ever. One of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Model 3 is its low maintenance cost. Unlike traditional gas-powered cars, it does not require oil changes, fuel expenses, or complex engine maintenance. This makes it a cost-effective option for long-term ownership. The price of the Tesla Model 3 varies depending on the configuration. The standard range plus version starts at approximately $40,000, the long range version is priced around $47,000, and the top-tier performance model costs about $53,000. Additional options like enhanced autopilot, premium interior upgrades, and paint choices can further increase the price. Overall, the Tesla Model 3 continues to be a game-changer in the electric vehicle market, offering a perfect blend of performance, range, safety, and technology. Whether you are looking for an eco-friendly daily driver or a high-performance electric sedan, the Model 3 has something for everyone. Let us know your thoughts on the Tesla Model 3 in the comments below. Would you consider buying one, and which version interests you the most? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. See you in the next video.